Canada's building construction investment took a hit in September, and the numbers show exactly where the economy is starting to crack. Total investment fell 1.1% to $22.4 billion. Year over year, we're still up 6%, but the month-to-month drop tells the real story. Residential construction fell 1.7%. Multi-unit projects down 2.5%. Single family down 0.5%. Ontario saw the sharpest decline, over $100 million pulled out of multi-unit projects, followed by Alberta and BC. In total, 7 provinces and 2 territories contributed to the drop. Non-residential construction was basically flat. Institutional and commercial nudged up, but industrial fell 1.3%, the 8th straight monthly decline. Again, Ontario, Alberta, and BC led the pullback. So, what's driving this? Higher interest rates crushed demand. Better rental supply eased pressure on apartment buyers. Construction costs are still high. Developers can't make the math work, so they're pausing projects. Here's my take. Everyone expected a correction, but it's uneven. Multi-unit and industrial projects are getting hammered, while single family is holding up relatively better. And if you've been waiting for a housing price crash, well, this slowdown actually works against you. Less construction today equals tighter supply later. Yes, Q3 had a small bump, but September's decline shows developers are getting cautious heading into winter. Do you think this slowdown makes the housing crisis worse? Or are we finally hitting a natural correction point? Comment exclusive for more news and insights, and share this with anyone watching Canada's housing future closely.